Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have these SKULLCANDY headphones and I'm going to tell you all ways to charge your headphones. So in my opinion the best way and the first way is to charge your headphones using a power adapter. And the power adapter can be any, but it's better, the best is to have any original from the company, not Chinese company. From the Action, for example, power adapter, is because of the reasons of the overheating. It can be, as you can see, this power adapter or power brick, as someone calls it, and as you can see, mine does have the USB-A port. So it can be any with the USB Type-C or Type-A port with the cable that has USB Type-C finishment. Now we have to plug our USB Type-A cable into our charger, power brick, and we have to plug this power brick into our power supply. Let me just plug it, and then this USB Type-C cable plug into your headphones charging port. Here, as you can see, now we have our LED indicator that our headphones are charging, and this is only the first way. The second way is using our phone. So for example, here we have the Google Pixel 8, and this phone supports reverse charging. So at first prepare your phone and the cable, which is USB Type-C to C, and plug your USB Type-C cable, the first part of it, into your phone. The second part, plug into your headphones. Charging port, of course. Let me plug it, because my cable is a little short, and as I can see, it works. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.